Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Daily Weather Guy, bringing you your Monday Mania weather report. And it's going to be a Monday Mania hot report because that's the message this week. Heat indices well into the mid 90s, low 100s for most of the area, and of course in our neck of the wood, Wilmington, um, Lewis, all will be in the mid 90s for the current week. And really, the heat builds in today, and then the real intense period works into by tomorrow. So, and you can see that pretty much by Thursday, it's well entrenched and it's not going to budge, even though we're going to get some relief later in the week. Speaking of that relief, let's go back to today. There's some light thunderstorm possibilities, mostly in South Jersey, but also down here at the beach points. So you want to stay aware of radar today. And then later on Wednesday, a system comes in and there's two upper level disturbances which could present some issues, especially I would think anywhere from northeast PA down to northern Delaware. So we have to be aware of that. And then Friday, a larger system comes through Friday morning, but really doesn't give us that much relief because Friday is supposed to be hot as well. It's not really until Saturday, Sunday, when a cold front comes through that we get that relief and a high pressure builds in further north. We're going to take a look at Newcastle today. Tomorrow, temperatures will be in the low 90s. And remember, it's not necessarily what the air temperature is, it's more like what the heat indices are. So air temperatures in the hundreds, in the low 90s, but we have heat indices well into the mid 90s and low 100s. And that's a terrible draw. Never was a drawer. Never said I was. Uh, so chance of precipitation each day, pretty much after tomorrow. I mean, after today, there's always a chance of a pop afternoon thunderstorm. In the tropics, we have something to just be aware of. Just be aware of. If you can see down here, there's a little system off of the Florida Peninsula down near Miami. Um, that slowly creeps up the coast later next week. Now, where it goes, does it go into the southeast coast and prevent and cause like just tropical storm disturbances down there and then rain up here? Well, we've got to, if this scenario, according to this scenario, it shows a high which actually is blocking that tropical disturbance from coming up. And then it's inland, so it loses its strength. There's a couple of other models that do show coastal development and riding up the coast until it gets about to Cape Hatteras, and then again there's an upper level high which prevents it from coming up and having some issues up here. So we're just going to have to wait and see, and this time frame is for later next week. So that's a ways off, and we have a long way to go before we come to any conclusion. So the story for this week is going to be the heat. So protect yourselves, do smart things, do most of your work if you have outside work in the morning or late at night, or workouts early in the morning or late at night, or inside. Hey, can't beat that either. That's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Daily Weather Guy, wishing you a great Monday and a great week. Adios.